Alright, so this is what my front screen looks like when I first come to the home screen. So this is where you can find the link to get to week 1, or our kindergarten playground that has fun links for the kids to do. You can read our course goals, our course structure. Here's my email if you ever needed to email me and you don't have my email. So I'm going to go ahead and click the week 1 link. So this takes me to week 1. This is all of my assignments for week 1. All right here. So if I click on March 18th, 2020, these are my daily tasks that I want all the kindergartners to be doing. 20 minutes of Lexia time and 20 minutes of reading. And you can click on next. And this takes us to our first assignment. So this is our math lesson. Each lesson has the objective and the task. When you get to a Nearpod, it'll have your student's name right here. You'll want to join the session. And then you just click through the slides. So this tells you what we're doing here. You can watch the video just by clicking play. It'll take you straight to that YouTube video. And then right here, it wants you to do the matching pictures. I'm not going to finish that. So then we have a quiz. A 2D shape is. So the video went through all of these. And then you'll press next. A 3D shape is. Next. So when you press next and you end up submitting your test, it tells me, it shows me the answers that your kids gave. So it's easy for me to grade. So it's going to tell me I didn't answer, but I'm going to submit anyways. So then it'll tell them at the very end what their score is, and they can go ahead and click next. Draw something that is a sphere. So if you're on an iPad or a tablet, you can just use your finger to draw. If you're on a computer like me, you'll want to click it and then they can draw a picture. Wow, that's a really bad circle, but you kind of get the gist. And so I'm drawing a picture of something that's a sphere, a baseball, and then I'll submit it to my teacher and my teacher will end up getting it. So same thing with the cube and the cylinder, and if these are in the way, you can always click this arrow and it'll go up and it'll get out of your way. So then my Nearpod's done. So you don't have to press start over, it's already submitted to me. So then to get to your next assignment, you could press next. And then here's your letter practice. Same thing getting into this Nearpod, you'll want to join the session. Then it'll take you to the lesson. And you want to make sure that you always press submit so that it comes to me and I can see their answers. And then for sight word, I know some of you saw a quiz. I got rid of the quiz. You don't need to do that quiz anymore. Just go ahead and send me a picture of their hard work so I can see what they were doing. Then we'll click the next button. And then here we have our Heggerty lesson. So it'll take you to the YouTube video right there of our Heggerty lesson. And then when you're done with that, click the Heggerty completion check. And then yours won't look like this. Yours will pop up with the question. It'll look like this. Did you complete today's Heggerty lesson? If you completed it, yes. If you didn't know, you press yes, submit quiz. And then you are all done for the day. So if you want to go back to home, take you back to the home screen. If your kid wants to do something fun, here's our kindergarten playground. And it has links to books, read alouds, daily drawings, art hub. So it's all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool. So hopefully that helps you get used to Canvas a little bit better.